Racing Jesse started with Storm Break quickly to start Ninjutsu. Don Don's entry Zoria said Slim Princess Rose and Fire, then followed over by Pandora B Faithful Red Advocate, while Sirikit is the early trailer ram going along for the first turn. We have Storm, Red Advocate in second. By the rail comes Ninjutsu. Don Don's entry comes next, moving up on the outside. Rose and Fire Sirikit is down on the inside. Pandora Slim Princess in B Faithful is racing in ninth as they swing down the back. We have Storm by about 3 lengths. Ninjutsu in second. Sirikit is down in third, then followed over by Rose and Fire. Don Don's entry, Red Advocate, Pandora Slim Princess, and Be Faithful inside the 3 octavo. We have Storm by our length and a half. Ninjutsu is still in second. Sirikit is down in third. Don Don's entry, Rose and Fire, Pandora, Red Advocate, Be Faithful, while Slim Princess now racing in ninth as they swing for home. We have Storm by about 3 lengths, followed by Ninjutsu. Darori inside is Circuit, and on the outside, London's entry with about 100 meters of the race. We have Storm, Rose clear this time by about 4 lengths, followed by Ninjutsu, and on the outside, London's entry, Circuit, and finally it's Storm, Ninjutsu, Circuit, London's entry, then comes Pandora.